Hey. Hi, Daniel. Actually, my name's David, but you can just call me DK. Okay, yeah, DK, yeah. I'm a huge fan of your page. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, anyway, when are you gonna make another tutorial? What? You know, like where you teach us a card trick? No, I know what you mean by tutorial. Never mind. I actually just put one out recently. Did you see I posted on my story? All you had to do was follow my music account. No, I did not follow the page. I don't care about your music. I just want this tutorial for free, please. Oh, well, I'm gonna put one out with organic playing cards, and that's gonna be free. I don't have to listen to your music or anything like that. You don't have to follow me or them or my music account or anybody. Oh, sweet. Thank you so much. You are the man. Yeah, no problem. By the way, your new hair, it's okay. You don't really need to talk about it that much. I feel like you talk about it a lot. So I don't talk about my hair. I don't talk about it that much. It's not a lot that I talk about it. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later. Oh, okay. All right. Hey, what's up guys? It's DK Magician here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can use the Gaff card that comes in your Peelers V3 deck. Now, if you were lucky enough to get one of our Peelers V3, you'll notice that one of the jokers is... This is not the Gaff card, hold on a second. If you were lucky enough to get one of our Peelers V3s, you'll notice that one of the jokers actually has a playing card reveal on it for the 7 of hearts. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use it as a prediction, the best ways to present it, and I'm going to be teaching you a quick routine with a little force that's great for beginners. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Before we talk about using the Gaff card within the context of a larger routine, let's talk about some of the basic ways that you can use it in general. One of my favorite ways is to switch out the regular joker for the Gaff joker in a prediction style effect. So I would do a double lift showing the regular joker and then switch in the Gaff card to be revealed at the end. Another way that you could do this is perhaps by doing simply a change, having the regular joker sitting out and then doing a shake change to reveal the card inside of the banana. These are of course just a couple different ways that you can use the Gaff, but you can really do anything that you want. The only limit is your own creativity. So now that we've gone over a couple of the basic ways you can use it, let's go over a full routine in which we use the Gaff as a prediction. For this beginner's prediction effect, you're going to want to set up the cards in the following way. On top of the deck, you're going to place your regular joker, followed by the Gaff. This is so that you can easily do a double lift and switch in the Gaff card when you need to. In order to force the 7 of hearts on the spectator, using the beginner's force I'll be teaching in this routine, take 5 random cards, place them just below the 7 of hearts like this, and flip the whole packet over, so it's on the bottom of the deck facing the opposite direction. You're now ready to begin the routine. Start by performing a double lift or any other kind of switch that allows you to take the joker and switch it out for the Gaff card. Place it underneath the card box or in the spectator's hand, and it will be revealed at the end of the effect. To force the card onto your spectator, all you're going to do is drop packets of cards onto the table and ask them to call out stop whenever they want. Now, this force doesn't work so well on camera, but with the proper misdirection in person, I find it to be a very effective force for a beginner. Whenever the spectator calls out stop, you simply turn both your hands over, setting the deck down on the table and pointing at the cards there. You sure you want to stop there, you might say, in the context of the routine. This allows you to essentially switch in the 7 of hearts as the next card down, so you'll drop cards whenever they want. They call out stop, you say right there, you're sure? All right, perfect. We'll take the next card down, which then of course is the 7 of hearts, the force card, and becomes their selection. You can clean this up by simply placing the cards on top and getting them out of the way, and then doing a half pass to turn over the remaining block of cards beneath so that the cards are all back facing the same way. Again, do all this on the offbeat, or don't even do it at all. Simply do it while they're distracted after you reveal that your prediction, the joker, now matches the selection because of the Gaff. So that is the beginner's prediction effect. Again, you're only limited by your own creativity here, so just take this basic framework and really run with it. Come up with your own routines, your own ideas, and make sure to tag us if you post performances on Instagram. We'd love to see them. So that is the tutorial for the basic prediction effect that you can do using the Gaff and Peelers V3. We would love to see you guys performing this and all your other original routines on Instagram, so make sure to tag us at organic_playing_cards. And if you're not following us already, go give us a follow there. If you want to follow me, you can find me at DK Magician on Instagram. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.